In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 150 by 10 using the long division method. See that 1 is less than 10. That is why we will consider the number 15. We know that 10 times 1 is 10. Subtract, we get 5. Now 5 is less than 10. That is why we need to bring down this number 0 here. And we know that 10 times 5 is 50. Subtract, we get 0. As we have got the number 0 and there is no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 150 divided by 10 is equal to 15. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also, do subscribe the channel.